A familiar sight. Crazy,
right,
man.
We're back. It's the next day.
What are you doing today?
Well, we gotta wash this thing. This, I think this is salt from the highway.
Yeah, just blast your finger everywhere and make it so much better.
Well, thanks, fuck.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, pop the hood. Man.
What?
I put this here when I owned the car. Isn't that crazy?
What? That was, I swear to God, that wasn't there yesterday.
Yeah, it was. I noticed it when I was editing the other video. Okay. So today, we're gonna clean this engine bay because it's absolutely disgusting. Well, mainly the whole front cover of the engine is absolutely cocked because the valve cover's leaking so bad.
Yeah.
Go grab the yellow can in the garage. That's the secret sauce, man.
An oven cleaner.
It's me. This stuff, man, works wonders. All right. I used this on the S13. Cleaned up so good. It'll look brand new. It'll get rid of all this fucking grime and shit. We still have Adam's power washer here.
Yeah, clean.
So we're gonna clean it. Then we're gonna pop the valve cover off, change the seal, wrinkle black the valve cover. Kobe's a man of style, I see, with the wrinkle black.
Oh yeah. On the
Could have gone gold, but
on the stock A.
But he couldn't afford it. Cover up the important shit. Okay, we're just gonna lay this on and we're gonna let it sit for like 10-15 minutes. We have a brush too. Grab one. I think you're right there. Get into the dirty shit. But yeah.
Seems very pressurized.
Yeah, the thing kind of sucks. Why did it just fully die? There we go.
Wow. You can see the fucking.
I'm not soaked.
I give it a go.
Yeah, give her. Man, this looks so good under here. Look at the cams. They look fucking brand new. Crazy, man. We're also gonna pull this guide off while we're in here. Remove.
Oh fuck.
That's why it's leaking. There's like no silicone in this. Not where it should be anyways. Crazy, man. It's a little brittle, dude.
This won't work.
Crazy, man.
Damn. I'm getting it wet, eh? Alright, we scotch boarded the whole
Man,
thing.
you need a fucking haircut. How do you even see?
I actually can't see at all.
You look like a fucking mop.
It's almost Bass Pro season.
I dare you to put in a ponytail for the video.
Dude, go get me a
With a zip tie though.
No, that hurt.
No, it's the same shit. It'll
Anyways.
slide off. Don't just ignore it, man. You have to do it now.
Anyways.
Okay, comment below if you want to see Colby's hair in a fucking ponytail.
Should we man bun it next video?
No, I'll cut it off.
It's pretty good.
Good enough. I need a new piece of cardboard. Here, pick it up. Hold it by the thing you taped off. Yeah. With the wax and grease remover. Got the goods, man. Wrinkle Plus. Colby's just doing the wax and grease remover to get everything off. It's not spotless, but like wrinkle black sticks to anything, so it doesn't matter. Get right there on the first spark plug. Yeah, get in there. Kobe's pretty eager to get the paint on. He doesn't seem to care if it's clean or not. So we're gonna just lay it on dumb tick, I guess. That's just extra texture, I guess.
Yeah, the more dirt, the more
No, you
wrinkle.
didn't even get the fucking crust off right there. Come on.
Man, I like the crust.
No, it's gonna look like shit. You think mom and dad will care if we get the driveway black?
No, they're gonna repaint it anyways.
Oh, okay. You sure?
Yeah, it's just tough. The red paint came off, remember?
You're like 100% sure?
Yeah, that was tough.
Wipe the lens off.
Oh, fire, dude.
No, dude. Fuck. It'll wrinkle in, dude. It's fine.
Yeah, wrinkle in. First coat, they're looking a lot better.
Well, it's wrinkle plus, man. So it's extra wrinkle, you know.
That's what I've been saying. Will it dry? Should we throw on the gasket?
No, because you want the weight of the valve cover bolted in to spread out the RTV. Alright, 2 coats. What is the last one then?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Just gotta make sure everything's covered.
Blowing dust everywhere.
Alright, we did last coat. Now he's gonna heat it up. Watch the magic happen, I guess.
Crazy, man.
After what, like 5 minutes? Starting to wrinkle. Starting to look pretty good.
Okay, so Kobe's got his Moist Boys oil cap installed. I think he looks real sick. He doesn't want to polish the letters because he's dumb for some reason. Anyways, we're gonna slap the new valve cover gasket on. Alright, bro. Gasket maker. Valve cover's on. Looks fucking chewy.
Chewy! It looks pretty good.
It's a lot better than it did at the start of the video.
We're not gonna talk about the little back corner, but
It's alright.
don't worry about it. Got the sock.
Moist Boys sock, available at moistboys.co. Engine bay is still pretty dirty, but it's a lot better than what it was. I think the front main seal is actually leaking on this as well. So
Something else to fix.
Figure that out later, but
Doesn't look bad. It's looking real clean.
Fixing everything I neglected when I had it.
Oh yes.
Crazy.
Fixing your mistakes.
Fixing the shit I had no idea was wrong.
Alright, you filming?
Yeah.
She reckon?
Chewy.
Alright.
Next, man.
What's next?
Shit, we got 1 minute on the SD card. We gotta speed
Fuck.
through this.
5 lux swap watts, davin kit, paint, camber arms, everything. See you in the next one.
Like, share, subscribe. Crazy, man. S14.
Shark, bruh!